Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by loading your footage into a dedicated event so you can work non-destructively. Select a representative clip and open the color inspector. This lets you access balance, color wheels, and curves quickly. Once done, enable the waveform and histogram to see exposure and color shifts numerically, because visual judgment alone misleads. Make sure your viewer is set to 1 playback to avoid preview artifacts. Now select the first frame where skin or neutral gray appears for reference, and proceed to automatic balance. You apply balance color to get a fast baseline. It analyzes the frame and corrects temperature and tint automatically. After that, refine manually with color wheels. Lift or reduce blue in shadows, tweak midtone warmth, and preserve highlight detail to avoid clipping. Use the vector scope and RGB parade to monitor channel alignment. Aim for balanced peaks without crushing blacks. If a subtle green or magenta cast remains, switch to RGB curves and nudge the offending channel down or up until skin tones and neutrals read correctly. You finish by matching other shots to your corrected reference. Use match color to transfer balance, then inspect each shot with scopes to confirm consistency. For scenes with shifting light, add shape masks and keyframe white balance adjustments across time so transitions stay natural. Make micro adjustments in curves or wheels if skin tones drift. Finally, export a short test segment using your delivery settings and view it on the target display. If colors look off, check color profile mismatches, convert timeline color space, or adjust viewing LUT.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.